What's up guys, Salty Diver here. A couple of weeks ago down in Tampa, I was inspecting some piles, and as I was holding onto them with my knees, I damaged my wetsuit a bit. So today I'm going to show you a really cheap trick to repair your wetsuit or even your dry suit on the cheap. Now for this repair, you only actually need one thing, and that is shoe goo. So my wetsuit isn't actually dry since the last time that I dove it, so the first thing I'm going to do is dry it off. Now that the suit's dry, I'm just going to take a regular pair of scissors, and I'm going to cut off all of this extra material that's around so I can get it as smooth as possible. Alright, so I know you probably can't see it in the camera, but I've got a lot of loose threads that have been pulled out around the seams. So I'm just going to take a lighter and I'm going to try and burn those down a little bit. You'll see now that it looks a lot smoother, and I've got a nice clear area of where I'm going to be applying the shoe goo. Alright, now since we're doing this in layers, I'm going to let this dry for about 3 hours, and then I'm going to come back and put another layer on it. Alright, it's been about 3 hours now, so I'm going to go ahead and put this next layer of shoe goo down. You'll notice this time I'm going to make it
do it!
Alright guys, it's the next day and the shoe goo on my wetsuit has had enough time to cure, so let's take a look at the results. What's important here is it tough and is it going to extend the life of my wetsuit? So you can see it's not really even penetrating the surface, even in the parts where it's thinner. So yeah, I would say that it's tough. And is it going to extend the life of my wetsuit? Well, considering that the inner knees on my wetsuit were just about worn through, I'm going to say yes. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this one. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you want to see more great dive videos every week, hit the subscribe button. Remember to share your videos with all my friends. If you have any questions about commercial diving, send them my way. I'll be happy to answer. And until next time, and as always, stay safe.
Just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it! Some people dream of success while you're gonna wake up and work hard at it. Nothing is impossible!